first thing you need to do is go to your system settings and load. See here, there's an empty space here for a logo. If you double click on here on the station logo space, it comes up with the dialog box, and you'll see I've got nothing there because it needs to be in BMP format. So I'm going to come to my directory. Okay, I've got a logo I prepared earlier. It's in PNG, so I'm going to edit this in Paint, or in Windows 10 it's 3D Paint now, so I'm going to edit in Windows 3D Paint. And you're best off using a solid white background for your logo. So there you see I've got my logo. It's an 800 by 400 pixel ratio, which seems to work best. And I'm going to do File, Save As, Image, and then choose BMP. So bitmap. And so that is now as BMP. So if I come back to TrafficONE, I should see it there. So I can click on that, open it, and there you go there. Okay. So that there is the logo is in there now. Click OK. Now you'll also see in traffic settings, billing defaults, and you can actually just put your station address in there. So I make station address up to 6 lines. The invoice instructions, so your default invoice instructions, part and place length, time, length, amount, playlist, all that sort of stuff. You can put bottom of invoice comment, choose your call letters if you have call letters, FM, AM, or internet other. Bottom of invoice comment, thanks for prompt payment is appreciated. You can put avid text in there for somebody to sign, and then you've got script image here as well, and this image goes to the bottom of the invoice. So let's say we just want to make a version of this. Okay, so you can put a logo in here if you want to, or we'll just put the same logo in for now. I think that logo will appear at the bottom of the invoice, and then we go to billing, and we can print your invoice. So if we go to invoices that I've already got issued for any date, let's just choose this one here. We can adjust it here if we want to, add anything, and just select it, click print. The invoice type, so I want to do a plain amount. Okay, click OK, print the selected invoice. It's ID 38, print, and then I'm going to say I'm going to do ID 38 is the invoice ID, invoice number 13, invoice 13, and the name of it is Acme Motors. And now let's go back to the invoice. Let's have a look. Here it is. Okay, there you go. So he's put the logo at the top there, and at the bottom where it would put the scripts, it's put the logo in the bottom as well, where it's put summary of the charges and stuff. So yeah, so payment address, Acme Motors, that's your client, and that's your address that we go there in the settings.